Today, we are using Firefly Boards and showing how you can practically use AI in your creative process to stay creative.
We're gonna be taking our character, Marshmallow.
Yes. Marshmallow, yep.
We're gonna try to animate them.
This is 3 different people with totally different workflows, creating a project all together and being able to like go to the client and be like, hey, here's the concept overall of what we want to do. Do you think we should execute this? But we can have the full idea sold in Firefly Boards.
I decided to go ahead and start generating up some different character models. So we had this illustration of a character, brought it through a couple different models. Boards is really nice because you can kind of jump around between all the different ones that he was in. So we're gonna select our character here. We've got a character reference on the white background. We've got a knockout of the character. We've got our lava lamp. Gemini allows us to grab a bunch of different stuff. So let's grab some of these other references really quick of our character. We've got, 5 images here. We're gonna try to replace the marshmallows floating in the lava lamp with our character. Replace the marshmallows in the lava lamp with our cartoon character. Oh my gosh, it did it.
Did you put him in there?
There he is.
Yes, it's so perfect. Oh.
If you are working with a character like I'm doing here with Marshall, and you're struggling to get the character to go into a scene, use the word subject. It works really well.
Oh, interesting, because it knows how to select subject or like is familiar with that.
So if you're getting the same image multiple times and you're like, why is this still generating the same thing? If you click load, you'll load up the prompt that you were doing, and then you can hit this little fly out here for generation settings. And at the very bottom, you'll see seed. Manually change this seed number to something else and generate, and it'll kind of reset it. So you won't keep getting the same thing over and over again.
Wait, really? And it will generate something new?
I find that it helps it. The other thing too with this, you can add sub prompts. So you can go to like browse and you can kind of get some options to kind of help you out. This is something I always really like about Firefly that they did early on. It just better assists with whatever maybe you're trying to create. I want to put Marshall inside the room with the lava lamp. We'll get a couple different options going. This one is Sora. Okay, so let's see what Sora gave us. Ooh, okay, we got some blinks. Oh, he was like excited about that. Oh, hello. Oh, he's talking.
Oh, what did he say?
I don't know. Get the headphones.
Oh my gosh. Hold on.
I don't know if it actually has audio.
Does it have audio? Does he talk?
I don't know. I could watch you all night.
We're going to convert this guy to 3D. So if you click him and you go convert image to 3D and we click over here, I don't know what we're going to get.
We did it.
Did we get one?
We got one. We got a 3D version
Love what's happening.
of our friend, and we are now able to rotate. Yay!
That looks so good.
Look at him go.
You can group stuff in boards.
Smart.
So you can grab something and you can just toggle this down. You can hit group and it'll group the two together. You can also just do Command G, which we're all used to. So we got our character in some new scenes over here. Let's see. This one's kind of fun. I like when he's smiling. This one, he's like really chilling out.
Oh my goodness. Look, this little guy goes.
This is where we're at.
Dude, here's what we did today. We went into Fresco and we started working in Fresco to create this character, our friend Marshall Mallow. And we went from Fresco and then brought him into Firefly Boards and did a render of him, right?
We generated some character references.
And then finally we created this little ad of our friends hanging out. And I love it. Like, this was all a mix between like our creativity and Adobe Firefly Boards. Have a great day, everybody. And thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Adobe Live.
Later, everybody.
Bye.